successfully if that's their choice. I know that the Colorado Commits to Kids campaign is really about that. What we really want to do is make key investments in college readiness through programs that we know work. Programs like in early childhood education, extended school days and school years for kids who need it. Interventions for our students most at risk of failing or dropping out. We know that Colorado Commits to Kids will encourage alternative education options, like concurrent enrollment for our high school students across the state, and particularly a better use of online and blended learning. Now, I speak to you as a former community college and university president, but more importantly, as a parent of 4 kids who are graduates of Colorado's public schools. We know that not all kids enter school on equal footing. We know that not all kids speak the same language at home. We know that not all kids have books in the home. We know that not all kids make the same progress once they show up at school. And we know there are kids who can benefit from more advanced placement classes, from more college level, more rigorous courses while they're in school. But if we want kids to graduate and all be ready for higher education, we need to make sure that we can provide the level of individualized support that most of our districts cannot now afford to offer.